Hey everybody! So this week we have a new article. Our article is called Sharing Happiness. I'll read the article 2 times just so we can review it. And we're going to be going over various worksheets for this article this week. So the title is Sharing Happiness. People are staying home more now. They are helping to stop the spread of the coronavirus. People may feel sad or scared. Some people are sharing happiness in neighborhoods. They are helping others feel better. People are putting lights onto their homes. Others see the lights. The lights can help others feel better. People are putting teddy bears into their windows. Others see the teddy bears. The teddy bears can help others feel better. So let's go back and I'll kind of narrate what's going on. So people are staying home more now, like all of us. I'm sure you have been home, not been going to school, maybe going for walks, maybe not, but not doing our normal routine. And we're doing that because we want to stop the spread of the coronavirus. And we read about the coronavirus a couple weeks ago. It is a virus that is making people sick, and we don't want it to spread. So we don't want someone to spread it to someone else. And so some people may feel sad or scared, and that's okay. So you might think, wow, I'm really sad because I want to see my friends, or I feel scared because I don't want to get sick. Both of those are feelings that are totally okay and they make a lot of sense. Um, and so, because people feel sad or scared, some people are sharing happiness in neighborhoods. And so, if you do go out, there are ways that people are trying to make others feel better. So, they're helping others feel better. And some of those things are one thing is people are putting lights onto their homes. So, others see the lights, and the lights can help others feel better. So, if you are able to go out for a walk, you might see that there are Christmas lights now on people's homes, and that's supposed to bring joy. Another thing people are doing is they're putting teddy bears on their windows, and so other people can see the teddy bears, and the teddy bears can make others feel better. And so that's something called a bear hunt. So sometimes little kids or kids in general will walk around their neighborhoods, and they can look in windows and they look for teddy bears. And when they find a teddy bear, it's like a hunt, like a scavenger hunt. They're looking for how many bears they can find in their neighborhood. And those are little ways that people are doing to bring happiness to other people.